Once upon a time, there was the Audio-Technica ATH-M50 headphone. The ATH-M50 was geared towards studio. They were advertised as a professional studio monitor. Shortly after gaining much popularity, the M50 was replaced by the M50x. Though the two headphones are nearly identical, a few differences have seen the Audio-Technica ATH-M50x gain more popularity among users. In this video, I break down the ATH-M50x's design and build quality, comfort and fit, sound, packaging and accessories, specs and like its predecessor, the Audio-Technica ATH-M50x. Comparing the two headphones side by side, there are quite a few observable differences you can spot. The ATH-M50x's build is mostly out of plastic parts. However, it feels sturdy, and I feel there is no issue or flaw to complain about. The headband, however, has metal included, which makes it flexible to wear. The padding, though more plush than the M50, is not that great. The materials included are not high quality and seem to crack over time. However, they are soft and should last quite some time before they start chipping off. Apart from decent build quality, the design of the M50x is another win. The ear cups rotate and twist to make the headphone very foldable and compact. Portability is a big plus attributed to the popularity of the M50. Being able to use the headphone inside and outside is a big plus for people who are looking for an all-in-one headphone solution. The headband is made from a combination of plastics, metal, and protein leather that cover the padding. The padding material on the headband is soft and decently padded, though it gets uncomfortable. After several hours of use, you can dig into the top of your head. Periodically adjusting the position of the headband works well to prolong its usage. The headband also offers a wide range of size adjustment to fit most head sizes. The clamping force is a little tight at first but should lessen with frequent use. For a quick solution, you can try and stretch out the headphone by holding your ear cups and slowly pulling them. Repeat and test them on your head until the desired clamp is achieved. However, you should do this with care because using too much force might make a loose fit. The ear cups are big, however. The earpads openings are a little small, plus an awkward shape that gets uncomfortable for folks with big ears. The earpads, like the headband, use a small amount of padding but still feel comfortable. However, during long sessions, the headphone does get uncomfortable. The cheap earpad padding also causes the headphone to get a bit warmer. The materials used in the construction of the earpads is the same as the one that features on the headband. Though it is soft, the quality of the material leaves less to be desired over time. After using the headphone for a while, the earpad and headband cover starts to crack, which escalates to peeling off after some time. However, the earpads can be replaced with aftermarket options which are readily available online. The Audio-Technica ATH-M50x is largely advertised as professional studio monitor. However, though the overall sound is balanced, I do not consider it to be reference quality. The overall sound is warm, with great bass response, a slightly recessed midrange, and decent treble response. The bass makes up the first section of the frequency response that should have no trouble with an average person. For the ATH-M50x, the low end has a lot of power, a decent sub-bass presence, and a punchy mid-bass. Though the bass is well extended and tight, in some recordings it can get a little bit out of control. I find the bass great for the electronic genre and some bass-oriented music. The midrange, as I earlier stated, is a little recessed. The clarity is taken back a bit, but the headphone is still enjoyable for long listening sessions. Though the bass and treble are a little pronounced, there is good separation. The treble is well balanced and comes out clearly. Like the bass, it is pronounced / upfront, and using the headphone at high volumes gets uncomfortable and fatiguing pretty fast. The soundstage is good for a closed-back headphone. It is not in your head, but it is also not wide. The imaging is good, and you can at least tell the different directions of sounds from different instruments. I hope you found this video helpful. It's my pleasure if you were helped a little at least. If you have anything to query for, please comment us below. Thank you for watching this video.